I believe that the main purpose of REDISA was to create job opportunities and to create job opportunities within our own community, to see our own community grow. So with that in mind, and as our dealers has increased, as our job has increased, it has allowed us the opportunity to acquire more staff. As a young female, it allows me the opportunity as well to impact my community, because being part of the ministry, it allows me to empower the youth in the ministry. It allows me to empower the youth around me by saying, if I can do it, so can you.
What we do here, we keep tires, we send them out to processors as well. Processors meaning they recycle tires. They use them for a lot of uses like crumbing and so forth. So whenever I speak to family, friends, wherever it may be, I explain to them the whole process, what REDISA is all about. So instead of disposing of tires in landfills, burning them, we use them for better uses. They have empowered us, getting more staff, and they have just been supporting us ever since, giving us more information how to recycle and getting us more involved. I have had projects, one project where I got involved with the Pietermaritzburg Children's Home, where they wanted a few tires to plant flowers. And I arranged that with REDISA and we donated a few tires to them.
As a business, when we started in 2011, one of the biggest challenges was actually sourcing the raw material. We all know that tires are readily available throughout South Africa, but the costs involved with the distribution and logistics in getting those tires to our premises was a huge challenge. And since we've been able to work with REDISA, that's essentially been eliminated. Collaboration is extremely important. I think we recognize that we're not able to do everything ourselves and that we have to form strategic alliances or joint ventures with many other companies and create a network where we're able to utilize and benefit from the knowledge of other companies and the expertise of other companies and apply that to our own business. So it's important that we form very strong relationships with our suppliers and with our customers as well. Our relationship REDISA really started around about 2014 as we were an existing processor. We became closely involved with REDISA for the procurement and supply of the tires to our premises here in Hammersdale. What we envisage doing here at Mate Group is that with our relationship with our sister companies, we envisage developing more unique products which utilize recycled content, which will ultimately increase in the number of people that are employed throughout our group as well.
We've been introduced to REDISA now for about, I would say about 3 years. When the work first came to us, it came via some other company and we started to develop the product. I think originally they've been importing the product, but which was good for us now. We developed it, we found the right route for it. So about 3 years now we've been supplying REDISA with the baling wire that we make for it. Look, the whole thing, I think it's a big spin-off because the materials are all local. You know, we buy local from Natal, which is Newcastle, and the orders vary like about 16 to 20 tons at a time. And to process that wire, the interesting thing is that we have to employ another 8 people at a time to get the orders out. So although it comes in every 2-3 months, but there's a lot, we create some employment, and our employees are quite happy. They have time to bring their children when there's opportunities. We give that opportunity for them also. During the school holidays and stuff, they all come and get employed and get some pocket money and that sort. So we are striving to be a leading player in the market.